Assalamualaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English language class for the students of class 3 on the topic of Chapter 20, the present perfect tense. I am repeating, our today's topic is Chapter 20, the present perfect tense. Students, this is our 7th lecture and 5th SW. I am repeating again, this is our 7th lecture and 5th SW. Students, take your new Enjoying Grammar book and open page number 69, present perfect tense. With your book, take your notebook and writing elements. We'll discuss about present perfect tense and then we'll do some exercise. So let's start. The present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used to describe an action which took place in the past but has its effect in the present. I'm repeating, the present perfect tense is used to describe an action which took place in the past but has its effect in the present. For example, we can say, my father has gone to Kolkata. Here, has gone indicates present perfect tense. It is used to describe an action that has just been completed. So, through present continuous, present perfect tense, we can describe an action that has just been completed. For example, we have just arrived from Mumbai. Here, have and arrived indicates present perfect tense. It is also used to describe an action which began at the past and is still continuing. So, an incident will begin in the past and still continuing. It is called the present perfect tense. Look at this example. Roshan has lived in this house for 5 years. If you see this example, the person Roshan, he is still living in the house for 5 years. It's a continuing word. We use has plus verb with singular nouns and pronouns such as he, she and it. In negative statements, we use has not or hasn't. Students, when we will find the subject he, she and it, we must use has as verb. And for negative, we can use has not, and hasn't is the short form of has not. For example, Mr. Roy has written a book. This is positive sentence and here we find negative sentence. Maya has not polished her shoes. So here we use has and here we use has not. We use have plus verb with plural nouns and pronouns such as I, you, we and they. In negative statements, we use have not or haven't. Students, when you will find the subject I, you, we and they, you have to use have verb. And then the verb past participle form. For example, you have drawn a lovely picture. They have not torn this shirt. Here we use have and past participle form of verb. And in next example, we use have not, then torn. That means have not plus verb, past participle form of the verb. Students, keep in mind the structure. Subject plus have or has plus verb, past participle form plus object plus extra. When you find singular subject, you have to use has, and when you find plural verb, you have to use plural subject. So it means with plural subject, you have to use the verb have. Now students will do some exercise. Complete these sentences with the present perfect tense forms of the verbs in the brackets. Number 1, the children dash in bracket, the verb is go to bed. So, look at the example. The subject children. Is it singular or plural? Yes, the subject is plural. So, with plural subject, we have to use plural verb. So, we have to write have. The children have, then the verb go. We have to use the past participle form of the given word. So, go will be gone. Then the sentence will be, the children have gone to bed. Number 2, I dash in bracket visit this museum before. So with I in the rule we find, students come to the rule, look here, I, you, we and they. With this subject we have to use the verb have. So definitely you have to write here have. I have, then have to use the past participle form of the given word visit. So you have to write visited, V-I-S-I-T-E-D. I have visited this museum before. Number 3, the shop dash in bracket opened recently. So the shop is singular. So we have to write has. The shop has, now open will be opened. O-P-E-N-E-D. Open. The shop has opened recently. Number 4, I dash in bracket do my homework and am ready to play. So like number 2, we have to use have here because our subject is I. So with I we write have. Then do. Do will be done. D-O-N-E. Done. I have done my homework and am ready to play. Now come to number 5. Our parcel dash in bracket arrived by courier. So our parcel. The subject is our parcel and this is singular. So with singular subject we have to use has. Our parcel has. Now we have to write the past participle form of the verb arrive. Arrive will be arrived. A-R-R-I-V-E-D. Arrived. Our parcel has arrived by courier. Now number 6. The train dash in bracket leave for Delhi already. So the train is again singular subject, so again we have to write has. The train has, and now come to the word leave. The past participle form of the verb leave is left. L-E-F-T, left. The train has left for Delhi already. Now come to number 7. Inder dash many hockey matches with his father. Here the verb is watch. So Inder is a name of a boy or a person. With this you have to use has. This is a name. So Inder has. Now you have to write the past participle form of the word watch, and watch will be watched. W-A-T-C-H-E-D. Watched. Inder has watched many hockey matches with his father. Number 8. Maya dash in bracket not see the Lion King. So you have to use the negative form of present perfect tense. Maya. Here we find a name of a girl and this is singular. So with Maya we have to write the verb has. Maya has, then not. Negative not. Then the past participle form of the word see. See will be seen. S-E-E-N. Seen. Maya has not seen the Lion King. Now last number. Pooja dash in bracket not meet my sister. Students, again here we have to use negative form. So Pooja, again this is a name of a girl. So with Pooja we have to write has. Pooja has, then we have to write not. Not. So Pooja has not, then come to the given word meet. The past participle form of the word meet will be met. M-E-T. Met. Then the full sentence will be Pooja has not met my sister. Students, I hope you have understood the topic and I hope that you can identify present perfect tense and can write this well. Look here, I have given your homework. Your homework will be exercise 1 to 9. I am repeating again. Your homework will be exercise 1 to 9. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. And you have to submit your SW copies on every Sunday. Guardians or anyone else can submit your SW copies and can collect your previous copies on next Sunday. Students, you need to be serious about your homeworks because you will get your CT, diary and SPA marks on the basis of the submission of your homeworks. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.